Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. In this quick video, we are going over the manage team process. As always, if you're into reading articles, first link in the description will take you to a relevant article on this process over at our official website pmclounge.com. Also, don't forget the second link in the description, which is basically a playlist of every single video that we have ever done on resource management knowledge area. So that being clear, that being said, let's get started and understand the manage team process. First up, where are we in the PMP courseware? So manage team, it is a process in the executing process group and resource management knowledge area, of course. So this is where manage team lies, the last of the executing processes, the executing process group processes. And you've got resource management knowledge area here. So this is exactly what we are discussing. All other processes have already been discussed. Second link in the description will take you to the entire playlist. So let's move on. Manage team process. Now it requires everything in your management book. Now this includes tracking the performance of the team members. It includes providing feedback whenever necessary, resolving issues, managing team changes. Changes in the team. People are leaving, people are joining, people are getting promoted, people are moving to newer projects, right? So all those changes also you need to manage. So this is basically some of the things or some of the activities that you need to do to manage the team. As a project manager, when you're doing all this, you need the ability to influence the team behavior. Influence is the key word. Keep an eye on it. Now, influencing, how do you influence? So it involves a combination of skills. This includes communication, conflict management, negotiation, and leadership. So you need these four combination of these skills to be able to influence the team behavior. And you have to influence the team behavior when you have to do what managing the team requires, which again is tracking the performance of team members, providing feedback, resolving issues, and managing team changes. A quick reminder, you can grab our free PMP study plan, which will help you clear your PMP exam in 50 days. Head over to pmclounge.com/PMP study plan. Don't be vanilla. Now, this is such an important concept that it deserves a slide of its own. So what do I mean when I say vanilla? So this is one of the issues if you are a vanilla manager, whereby you use the same leadership style to address all your team members. Now, in the first reading of this sentence, at first sight, you may feel that this is correct. You have to be the same to every single one of your team member. You cannot be different to different team members. But that is actually wrong. You have to introduce different types of leadership styles when dealing with different team members. Let me explain how. So you have to be sensitive to two things: the willingness and the abilities of different team members, and accordingly you have to adjust your leadership style. So what do I mean when I say all this? Let's take an example. If there are team members that have low skill abilities, right, and they are very less experienced, they require intensive oversight of their work, and they will actually be happy if you are always there, if you are always present, and if you help them throughout the course of their project. But if you compare this with resources or the team members that have higher capabilities and experience, then if you are always there, if you are looking around of the kind of work they are doing, of the kind of deliverables they are producing, this intensive oversight might seem as micromanagement to them. So this is the reason why you have to change your leadership style accordingly, based on the kind of team member you are dealing with. So don't be vanilla, don't be the same to every single one of your team members. Finally, a question for this video. When do you manage team in the project management life cycle? When do you do this? Do you do this in the beginning? Do you do this at a certain checkpoint? Do you do this towards the end of the project? When do you perform this process? Or do you do this throughout the project lifecycle? Let me know in the comments. Looking forward to your answers. So that is all that we had in this video. Do hit the like button if you got value out of it. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we upload new content. As always, don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your number one free PMP resource. And check us out on our social media. PMC Lounge is our handle on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.